The battle should get off or what?
Yeah, shoot it! Shoot it off!
Nej, igen, hvad? Vi har to wait for the...
No, but it's
That is 2010, you people! 2010!
Wait.
It's not yet. Not yet.
It is 5 minutes left.
Oh my god! 2010!
It was 3 minutes before, now it's 5.
Mike.
TJ,
Yo.
what's going on?
New Year!
Yeah! 2010!
New Year!
I hate it!
What?
He doesn't want me near him.
Who?
He does not.
Fredrik?
Yes. He does not want me near him.
Fredrik, hva er det som skjer? Hvorfor vil du ikke ha TJ nær deg?
Huh?
Hvorfor vil du ikke ha TJ nær deg?
I saw, but it don't hurt me.
See.
I saw, but
Awesome.
but it don't hurt me.
It's nothing
Why?
compared to 3 years ago.
Awesome.
TJ! He just didn't want you to hug him.
I know. He doesn't like hugs.
He doesn't like love.
I like hugs from very few people.
But you don't like from TJ, right?
I love New Year!
I love 2010!
New decade! That's true.
No. Technically